Good morning. Say hi. Tell everyone happy Saturday. Time for food? Time for food. Y'all want to see my baby? Tell everybody good morning. Good morning. Say happy Saturday. Mommy, a kiss. What? What you want to tell mommy? You vex? So for teas, I only drink green tea, guys. I am not really a fan of hot drinks. But if I do, it has to be something good. And I love green tea because it is so good for you. So this is the one that I've been drinking right now. And it's really good though. It's good. I don't know where I got this. I think Dave bought this to me. I'm not too sure. Can't really remember. And in case you didn't know, your girl has to have pepper with every single thing she eats in. This is breakfast, guys. Simple. Saturday morning breakfast. So let's eat. Let me see how this tastes. Very good enough. And this is where I would sit down and plan out the day and see what it is I have to do. In case you're wondering, where's Dave? Dave had to work this morning. Some last minute project, and he has to go in for 2 hours to finish it off. But usually he is home on a Saturday. So anyways, I was thinking, so many messages I've been getting about why you don't vlog, and to be honest, this is the reason why, because I would think I don't have nothing to vlog about. But if you want to see me vlog, this is me vlogging Saturday morning. I am bathed as yet. I brushed my teeth. I eaten. After I finish eat, I will go and take a shower. Bob is in the kitchen now. I bring him back from outside because this time was too hot and I can't do my child that. So today, when Dave comes back, I have nothing in the fridge to cook. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so I'll be going down home by mommy and then mommy them barbecuing. You all were asking me what it is I eat on a morning. Every morning I have a breakfast shake. I do it Monday to Friday. On weekends I have my green tea. And if it is I drink something the night before, I will have Coke. I have to have something fizzy the day after I drink. What else? What else? In case you're wondering, this is me, and this is a mirror in the background. I am obsessed with mirrors. All over this place has mirrors. I have noticed that on a Friday, I do not like to lime anymore. Message me and say, you need to explain what lime is. Lime is a Trini word, a Trini slang for hanging out, you know. Let me pass a lime, let me go and take a lime now, like that. But on a Friday, I noticed, I just like to come straight home. After a long week, I just like to come home, unwind. By 8 o'clock, I must be all showered and dressed. I do not want any drop of alcohol. I must watch a nice movie. I must feel cozy. I like to feel cozy. And fall asleep, probably. I mean, I could go to sleep late, but if I go to sleep early, I have no problem falling asleep. By 9, half 9, I am always knocked out. And it wasn't like that, you know, last year up until Late last year I noticed that started to happen, because before that, from the time Friday 4:30 reach, bam! You get ready to go out at night. After we come, I ain't even coming home and beating. We going straight with my co-workers, with Dave, with his co-workers, was a bunch of us. But you know, after time, you just get sick of that, right? People somehow like a don't, you know. Maybe. I don't know. I don't really like to drink much alcohol and stuff again. I'm not saying I'm a saint, you know. I'm just saying I am not like how I used to be before. And that's okay, you know. People change. I am not the same person that I was 5 years ago. 5 years from now, I wouldn't be the same person. We all change, and that's fine. Life is all about changing, and nothing is wrong with that. If it is you remain one person for the rest of your life, something wrong with you. Alright, so we just left home. Look who finally reached home from.
I went to work, eh?
On a Saturday, right? I must be stupid.
Well, we don't know.
I must be real stupid. Anyway, so I now remember I have to go and pay, swipe my insurance card by my dentist. I went and I cleaned my teeth last week. And I need to go to the ATM.
You cleaned it?
Yes, I cleaned my teeth.
Oh, I noticed. I didn't really notice.
It's probably you don't kiss me. How you notice?
I would tell you do something.
So yeah, so I'm going to the ATM first. Gonna pay for my clean and polish. And then we're gonna check our work. That's it. So that's it. We like real boring. No, that's why I tell a little vlog. We like boring. I'm gonna ask Dave a question, right? It's Saturday. I'm gonna ask him if you're feeling for a coffee. Watch your face. Do you want a coffee?
You mad? Today's Saturday.
Okay.
11:30.
So what does that mean?
What's the weather?
So you want an iced coffee?
What if?
That's inside our walk. I leave it.
Yeah.
I just find. Tell me the truth. You thought it would have been a bit more clean.
Yeah,
I thought it would have been different. The meat shop in Balmain is much cleaner and a bit more of my standards. Too bad! I'll buy my meat somewhere else. Oh, I need to get vegetables too. Look at the weather, guys. Might be getting some rain today. What do you think? This is my kind of weather, by the way. Make sure it's a side.
I get it. Can I have a real deal side breast, spicy?
Huh. What? Tell them how I just get on when you're ordering.
No, look at the scene it for yourself.
Guys, I cannot have anything but a side breast.
Why?
Right?
That's one big pile of meat alone.
I don't know why.
Not the thigh. The thigh is fine. I don't like that.
I
That's
just
look
don't
nasty.
like a thigh.
I prefer a leg. I don't mind a wing.
I don't care for legs either. I'll eat the upper body of the chicken. You eat the lower body.
I eat in anything.
You eat the bottom too?
And she's eat beef and pork? What is with the poor pig?
I don't eat beef and pork.
Laura, you do eat pig?
No!
Hey! Oh! Yes!
He's a market guy. Okay, so. Oh, this is fine. This is fine. It's not a fan. Say hi.
What beats?
I want to beat you.
No, this good one.
That's plenty though. So honestly, we had no idea this plan was going to happen, okay? And this is exactly how our weekend is be. Spur of the moment, things happen. When I thought we wasn't going to do anything today, look what happened.
Oh, the vegetable man, no, yeah? He say, yeah, now see a partner fish do from the vlogs, boy, come on. I say, yeah, where's he? So I'm going to pick up. Right over, said, oh, Jack off. Oh, yeah.
Do you wanna tell people where you're going?
Man on the next one, yeah.
Excuse that happened to you?
Yeah. Where's the exact, sir?
Where are we going?
Cora.
We're going for a drive. We just taking a
cruise.
A spur of the moment drive. This dude said, let's go for an hour. Yeah. And she's like, okay, just give me 5 minutes. And she went and she got dressed, and we're going to see now if we see anybody up in Cora. Yeah, you big clean.
Really
Vishnu?
impressed me.
You didn't take long.
Yeah, I been on shampoo and
So we're gonna see if we see anybody up in Cora,
Shampoo
right?
every
This is
I'm a beard now. Well,
But it's called a spur of the moment.
Yeah.
A spur of the moment drive.
Impromptu drive.
A spontaneous, impromptu and spontaneous. Is that the same thing?
Nah, it's too different, but it means along the same line.
Right, this is Bangil, you know. She's very
Yeah, Bangil,
intelligent.
sorry.
Yes, Miss Intelligent. Them didn't bring no cups. And them didn't tell us to walk with cups. She not drinking anything as yet. Because they did not tell us they was coming. This is what we call improvising when you're up in the bush. Thanks to Vishnu. Vishnu, cheers. Wait, what's I drinking, Johnny? And what? Cranberry.
iPhone 10.
It's an iPhone 10. Vanita bless up Shiman.
I hit phone 10.
Vanita bless up Shiman. Yesterday was his birthday apparently. He got iPhone 10. Oh, he got it for Mother's Day. That's all the cooking he does do for her. And he just cook for you, right? Yeah, he's fish around nice too.
All of them.
We're gonna get a cup for Vanita. This is bush life.
Tug life. This is what you do. This is equal portions of drink. I'm looking real famous video, but I won't lie.
This is light.
No, it's not like. To all my Canadian fans, I used to come Canada until they reject me. I would say that the Canadian embassy reject me. And I tear the papers in front of the embassy. Because I never,
Actually, they rejected me too.
she
I have my
so-
crew
but we
visa,
still like
I have
her,
my
you know.
US visa, everything, and
She have visa to leave you. I didn't have visa. If all listen my teeth looking at cook,
say hello. How long will you see this guy? Long time. She was. Tell him what? Yeah, he was gonna say something. He wasn't talking to me. He was not. He vexed me. Yes. And for his birthday video, what he tell you? Oh, we just fight like husband and wife.
just fight like husband and wife.
So we fight.
No, we were vexed.
We fight and we were vexed like husband and wife. Yes, we were vexed. He was vexed with me. You know why you wasn't vexed? Don't two of them kind of anger, boy.
She does vex it. She is too much for him, isn't it? It's okay, that's okay. She was my bad though.
Is he love? Is he love?
She was my bad.
Is he love? Say hello.
I don't know how far, you know.
That's small. Hey, what do you want to get? Did I
You come on, boy.
You must get in there and you wash the cover. Get in there. Okay, alright. He's a city boy. He's a city boy. He's not accustomed to them.
You got something to say. This is for life.
Alright, so we were on.
We're up in your lad. We're pretty rough, baby.
Come on, like 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh my god, this was a Saturday. I did not go to Arawak. I did not buy, no, I did buy my vegetables. I met Joshua. I met Joshua from Ultimate One. Say hello.
My name is Andrew.
His name is Joshua. And the fish?
His name is Dulchan Kalu.
Guys,
Andrew Kalu.
this is Saturday, this is Sunday morning, and today's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And we will see you guys in our next video. Say
Mother's Day.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, somebody cursing.